So in today's video, we'll learn how to draw line in Autocad. So before I proceed with the same, I am done with all the basic tool setting and workspace setting which I've discussed in my past two videos. So let's get started up with the line command. So now for the same, we will be using line command in order to draw line on the workspace. The shortcut key for line command is L, enter. Now, as soon as I input L enter in command line, you can see it says specify first point. It means it is asking for the very first point from where your line will start. I'll click anywhere on the screen. As you can see, the line immediately starts. Now it is your choice to what extent you will be extending this line. Let's say I'll just click it here and it immediately showed me the end point, that is the snap mode. If you remember, we have made snap settings. This is what exactly it looked like. So now I'm taking this line further to any other point and I'll end it here. And once I'm done with the end point, I'll press escape. So I have drawn these two lines with the help of line command. As you can see on the screen, the lines are not straight yet, and these are without dimensions. But what if you want to draw the line but with dimensions and that too straight? So for the same, I will again input the shortcut key of line command, that is L, enter. Again, I will specify first point. Now to straight the line, I will be using Ortho Mode, and the shortcut key for Ortho Mode is F8. Immediately, you can see on the screen right now my line is not straight, but if I press the function key F8, the line becomes straight. So I'll end it here. Now I'll press escape. So you can see right now also this line is without dimension, but you can clearly see the difference on screen. The first two lines that I drew was not straight. They were without Ortho Mode. The second line is also without dimension, but it is straight because I've used Ortho Mode in this. Now I will again use line command to draw the line, but that too with some value, which means dimension. So again I'll input L, enter. I'll specify first point. Now I can provide any value. For an example, 2 feet, 4 feet, 6 feet, how much you want. So I'll be putting up 5 feet, 5 feet. You can see in the command line, I'm inputting the value 5 feet, enter. The moment you will press enter, the command will finish itself. Just after doing that, just press escape button. Now to check whether your line is up to 5 feet or not, just press the center part of your mouse, that is your pan mode, and you can just move the screen slight leftwards and you can see my third line is of 5 feet. Now how to check whether this line is of 5 feet or not? There is an option available in the toolbar that's called dimension command. So just press on it. Just press on first point and take it to the last point. Escape. So now you can clearly see this line is of 5 feet. So with the help of line command, I made 3 lines. The very first one is without Ortho Mode, which is not straight. The second one is straight, and these 2 lines are without dimension, and the third one is used with the help of Ortho Mode, and plus I have input 5 feet as my value. as dimension to it. Suppose if I am supposed to make any shape with the help of line command, just as square or rectangle, so how will I make it? Press L, enter, specify first point. Now again it's optional if you want to keep the ortho mode on, so press F8, if not then press F8. So I want ortho mode on, so I'll press F8 on my keyboard to make the line straight. Now I'll input the value. Let's say I'll make a square of 2 feet by 2 feet, so I'll put the value 2 feet. Can you see the moment I started up with the line, it immediately ended up and moved downwards. Now let's say I'll put the value, rather than putting 2 feet, I'll put 1 feet. I'll make a rectangle now. Then again I'll give 2 feet. Now on the fourth step, what you can do is, either ways you can exactly just end the part by clicking on this end point, or you can put the value and just press enter. So I'll just press on this end point and then escape. I'm out of this command, and now this rectangle is ready. I'll just put the dimensions. This is 2 feet. This is 1 feet. So my rectangle of size 2 by 1 is ready. Now in line command, the moment you press escape, which means that you are totally out of command, and in order to re-enter the command, you can type it again, L, enter, or you can just press enter. So that will reactivate the command. So this is all for today. Thank you guys for watching our video. In case you are new to our channel, don't forget to click on subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notification of our upcoming videos. Click on like button to support our work. You can also share this video on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp with your friends. See you guys in our next video. Bye bye. Take care.